In today's video, we'll show you how to tell if someone is on another call on WhatsApp and guide you through the quick steps to check. First, unlock your phone and open the WhatsApp app. Make sure you're logged into the correct account so you can access your chats without any problems. Once you're on the main screen, go to the Chats tab and scroll until you find the contact you want to call. Tap on their name to open the chat window. After the chat opens, look at the top right corner of the screen and tap the phone icon to start a WhatsApp voice call. As the call begins to connect, watch the status displayed at the top of the screen under the contact's name. If it says calling and you don't hear any ringing, it usually means the person is already on another call. However, if you see ringing, that means their line is available and they're not currently on another call. And that's how you can quickly check if someone is busy on WhatsApp. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.